Just want to say happy birthday. Huh? My best buddy P.
Aww.
Wherever the camera is. Okay, let's take a look at the MDX Type S. It's time. We ended up going up a little bit further, and I'll put some pictures in the video, and it was pretty snowy. It became a little deep, and it's not cold enough right now for the snow that's there to actually be solid, so it's really slushy. Anybody that's out in the snow when it's kind of slushy like that knows how slippery it can be regardless of the tires, regardless of the vehicle, the ground clearance, etc. But lift mode worked really well. The Falcon Wild Peak trails did great too. No issues there. Loved having a tire with a little more sidewall than the OEM wheel. Definitely worth it. But as you can see, so we have the crossbars on there and then the roof basket. One of the really nice things that I kept from the Pilot was the roof basket because it's plug and play. In addition to that, the lighting system, the trigger system's all set up. The awning pops on and off. So right now we're at a primitive campsite, so there's no running water here, and there's literally nobody around at all besides us. So it's been nice. Really cold. Another thing that was really nice with this was Google Maps. So obviously you can download offline maps with the head unit. You don't have to rely on your data connection or your cell connection with your phone. That was a huge plus. The surround view camera worked great. Lift mode worked great. When we were up in the snow, we hit some pretty big dips, not realizing they were there because they're covered by snow, and the air suspension was flawless, so no issues there. The front camera sprayer was a nice touch. Thankfully that's working. But yeah, we'll do some video tomorrow when we head out, but right now, no issues, no regrets. This car's done great. Do a quick walk around here. Looks mighty fine, sir.
It's just some extra roll.
It's so loud.
Is it? You gonna video yourself taking the damn Ritz crackers? Is my wife going in the goddamn tent?
Mm-hmm. All done.
No, come here.
All right, and here is the aftermath. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this really quick video. This was the first time that I was able to get the new MDX Type S off-roading. Not overlanding, but definitely off-roading into some inclement weather, into some snow, and I'm not gonna lie, it performed beautifully, and it was really nice to be doing it in luxury. Between the massaging seats, the head-up display, obviously the heated seats, the leather, it was a great experience. And hopefully in the videos to come, we can get it overlanding and go over some of the highlights on why the car is off-road capable, even though that was never the intended purpose of the engineering. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below, and we'll see you again next time out on the trails.